Here we go. Another single box of Ginter. This one is for Charles. Of course, man. Will do. Let's see what I can pull you. Yet to be determined. Yeah, Nate's got that last box. So I am all sold out of Ginter. Got an oversized loader. There's the empty. And it looks like Mr. Altuve autographed. Oh, didn't expect that. Damn, nice. 13 out of 15, Charles. Go ahead and take it off. Damn, dude. Those are sharp looking. Let me see if I can raise up the camera so you guys can get a full look here. Oh! That's pretty nice. And back down to earth here. Nice, man. Cabinet box loader autograph. All right, we're off to a good start for Charles. Does have dinky corners, just so you see. Not to rain on the parade. We've got top loaders to fit that anyways. Nice and secure. Okay. Awesome, man. Takes the pressure off me doing the box now, bro. Now you can live. Okay. First stick. Got a Kopech Mini. Reese. Got yourself an aviation card. First relic. Elliott. Used memorabilia. Graham Elliott. He's a chef and TV personality. And that's a piece of his shirt. Clemens is a J. Holy shit. Damn. I'm going to have to look for the glossy 101 of that. They never make him a J. That's amazing. I'm so happy now. It's the little things, right? Post Malone again. Get a Schwarber. Collectible Canines Golden Retriever. There's one I haven't seen now. Waterfalls. Look out below. Iguazu Falls. Iguazu. Gordon, Longo, Machado, and Robertson. Why, thank you, Charles. Straight into the collection right there. Now I wish they had more parallels to chase. But hey, I could actually add a 101 Clemens J card to my collection this year if I can find that glossy. Reward if any of you see that card and it leads to me getting it. The 101 glossy of that Clemens. I would love to have that. Smoke. Mini. Little Lindor. King Felix. Hunter and RC. Got a black border here. Black border. Bo Jackson. Nice card. Does he have minis? I didn't think everybody has minis. Oh, you got the egg card, Charles. There you go. Okay, checking out your minis on the back here. Kopech and Allen and Ginter back. Normal, normal. A&G on the Lindor, Felix, and the bow was the black border. Nice card. Not yet. Not yet, Ben. There's a lot of rumors going around. Next year is going to be the year that he finally cracks the percentage needed. But still sitting out of the Hall of Fame. If Clemens gets in, though, it's going to open up the floodgates, even though he was never found guilty of a damn thing. Hopefully that gets Mac, Bonds, etc., etc. All right, Matt Carpenter. Snell and Tanaka. There's a mini lost languages, the Shasta language. Make a pretty good soda. Is that even real? Gary Carter black border in the Expos Uni. That's great. There's an Alonzo rookie, Charles. First one. Chris Sale mini. There we go. Oh, Rosie the Riveter's gloves. I know Charles was looking out for that one. Patcher, Betts, Nishek, Schwartz, and Yaz. Do the other stack. Auto version coming soon. Yep. $5, Nate? I think I can get you $5 worth of hits. If not, I'll buy your entire box back for $10. Sound good? Yellow Labrador. Nice Griffey. That's badass. Backwards hat. That's cool looking. Bo Jackson. You got it. Oh, a framed hit. Damn. Charles. That's a pinstripe. A Ginter game used. It's a nice card. Go along with that box topper. Living high on the hog tonight. Nice Ginter. Let's see if it's numbered. I doubt it, but no. Nice Ginter. Little pinstripe. Game used. Sweet. We got 2 hits. I don't know if the autograph box topper would count as your 3rd hit. Anybody know the answer to that? Anybody seen a box with an autographed box topper yet? That also had a 3rd hit? Boy, he just does not look happy there. Love the throwback Devil Rays uni, though.
Me, I'm the Hartford Buck, and I see nothing small in small business.
Check the minis for anything wacky. Shasta. Nothing at all. Charles Martinet, video game voice actors, and Allen and Ginter back. And here we go, last stack. It really was a softball team. Was there a dog card? Hold on. Let me get the dog card out. Oh, the yellow Labrador. Damn, man, that's a big one. There's 2 dog cards so far. Golden Retriever and Yellow Lab. Both of them to Ron. 2 beautiful pups. To Ron. Man, he's making out. He's got that Bo Jackson. Yellow Lab, Golden Retriever. Here we go. Finish off Charles's Ginter box. Get him. Something Charles definitely does with his friends on the weekend. Little toe wrestling. Dreams of blue ribbons. That. Oh, okay. That's just an interesting looking card. There's a Trout. Ginter Greats. Garcia Parra mini. Brandon Nimmo. Nice airplane card. Oh, there's a 3rd hit. So you did get 3 hits and the topper. Longo. That is definitely wrong. It is wrong. Nice Longoria game used bat. 3 hits and a topper. Sweet tank top, bro. Got the Pied Piper's pipe too, man. Bryant. Nice Stanton black border. Actually turned into a fairly valuable box of Ginter. Well, it was never not. Ramirez, Molina, another plain card. Mo. The Irish Cobb. Danny Jansen mini rookie. You got a 4th hit and it's an autograph. Holy. Polanco and Rosario. Good luck, Charles. Whoosh. Chance Adams, framed mini rookie auto. Nice. Little added bonus with the box topper. Attaboy Charles showing him how it's done, man. Nice rookie auto right there. Chance Adams, little mini frame, no number on it. Solid. Last check on minis, see if there's anything crazy. And Allen and Ginter back. Mariano Rivera, Allen and Ginter back, and the rest are normals. Alrighty. Chriswell will be up next, and then Nate will be the last Ginter box of the evening. Let's get a name tag for that, Charles.
Technically a 5-game road trip, but 3 in Seattle, off day on Monday, then 2 at Dodger Stadium Tuesday and Wednesday. Do come home, sleep in their own beds. Game is Philly done. Still playing. They're still playing a long rain delay there. They're Dodgers up 6-2.
Okay, next up.